Hello guys, in today's session I am going to cover part design workbench patterns, that is rectangular pattern and circular patterns. It can also be a user defined patterns, but today we will see only rectangular and circular patterns. So for that I am using fan cover, or what we can say a blower cover design, so that I can show you the patterns. So let's just get started with our workbench. Invoke the XY plane and draw a circle which will soon be seen 70 radius as fan cover. And so here it is, pad it from here 25. Okay, let's just round one edge to 10 mm and shell the other end. It should look like cover 2.5 thickness. Okay, now we will see this fan covers flanges which will be in circular pattern. So let's just get started. Okay, project it. Now create a reference circle, should be at an offset of 15, and we will create a reference line passing through the origin. Let's just offset this line 7.5 on both ends to create the flange. 7.5, and from here it should be 7.5. Now I will just trim the unwanted part. Okay, so we are left with this much, and we will use 3-point arc system, joining the two and giving it a radius of 7.5, removing the unwanted element, and finally a hole where we can screw or bolt it. It should be of 7.5 half as per standards. 7.5. Now exit the Sketcher workbench, pad the feature 5 mm thickness. So here our first clamp or flange is created. Now we will see how the circular pattern works over it. So for that, select the circular pattern, and we will give how many instances? 3 instances. At what degree? At 120 degree. Okay, select the object, it's a pad 2. Select the plane reference element, that is a plane, and here it is. We have created a circular pattern. Now on this fan cover we will create rectangular patterns. So for that we will see elongated pockets of length 40 and of radius 3.5. Okay, just specify its middle point to 20 and its distance vertically should be 6 between gaps and 7 patterns. That should be 36, I think so. 36. Exit the workbench, create a pocket up to last. Okay, now we will see rectangular patterns. So select the rectangular pattern, select current solid, that is pocket. How many instances do we need? 7. and spacing should be the gap between center to center, that is 13. Okay, now let's just check. Reference should be this one, and let's just click it. Okay, we have created a rectangular pattern. Now let's just create the last mounted feature through which our blowers, what we can say, piston rod will move. So select the sketcher again and invoke a circle that is of 25 radius and another circle of 15 radius. Exit the workbench, invoke the pad. Outer should be 5, inner should be 2.5. okay, and let's just check. Okay, it's working. So here we have created, and lastly what we need is rounding the edges 2 mm. So selecting it and rounding off. So here is our blower fan cover we have created, and we have seen rectangular pattern and circular pattern. Thank you.